Hey, I'm Jed Miller with Prince Precision Products again, and today we're going to talk about one of our newest continuous improvements, our cleaning checklist. So we had our machine shop come up with everything they needed to clean in their area based on a daily checklist, a weekly checklist, and a monthly checklist. Some of the things on a daily checklist included spot sweeping floors, cleaning off tables, and returning tools to the tool crib. Also on the weekly checklist, some take out the trash, and the monthly checklist, deep clean machines and deep clean floors. So on our checklist clipboard, we have these binder clips. So as the item on the checklist is completed, you can flip over the binder to show that it's been done. And at the end of the week, we can reset all the clips for the next time to do the tasks. Also at the bottom, we have a monthly and a daily to move the binder clip showing what day of the month it is.